Hello everyone, welcome back to NorbyPole TV. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our videos about making money online and building multiple income streams. Today, we're discussing a topic that has attracted a lot of attention online. Can you really make money with typing jobs in 2026? Are typing jobs legitimate? And where can you find real opportunities without falling victim to scams? Stay until the end of this video because I'll show you the reality of typing jobs, how much you can realistically earn, and the best strategies to succeed in 2026. What are typing jobs? Typing jobs are online jobs that involve entering, creating, or converting information into written text. Examples include data entry, audio transcription, copy typing, caption and subtitle creation, document formatting, virtual assistant tasks. The good news is that many of these jobs do not require a university degree or years of experience. What you need is a smartphone or computer, internet access, good typing accuracy, consistency, and discipline. The truth about typing jobs in 2026. Let's be honest. Many advertisements claim that you can make hundreds of dollars per day simply by typing. In most cases, these claims are exaggerated. Typing jobs can generate income, but they are not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires patience, skill development, professionalism, consistent effort. Beginners may earn between $5 and $20 per day, depending on the platform, job type, and experience level. As your skills improve and you receive positive reviews, your income can increase significantly. Best typing jobs to start in 2026. 1. Transcription jobs. Transcription involves listening to audio recordings and converting them into written text. Common transcription projects include interviews, podcasts, meetings, YouTube videos, business recordings. This is often one of the highest paying typing-related jobs because it requires attention to detail and accuracy. 2. Data entry jobs. Data entry involves entering information into spreadsheets, databases, or company systems. Examples include customer information, product details, survey results, financial records. While data entry is simple to learn, employers value speed and accuracy. 3. Subtitle and caption creation. Video creators are constantly looking for people to create subtitles and captions. You may be hired to add subtitles to YouTube videos, create captions for social media content, translate subtitles into different languages. If you speak more than one language, this can be a highly profitable opportunity. 4. Virtual assistant services. Many businesses hire virtual assistants to perform tasks such as email management, document preparation, scheduling appointments, data entry, customer support. Many successful virtual assistants started with simple typing tasks before expanding their services. Where to find typing jobs? Several platforms offer legitimate opportunities for freelancers. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, People per hour. Create a professional profile, highlight your skills, and apply consistently. Don't get discouraged if you don't get hired immediately. Many successful freelancers submitted dozens of proposals before landing their first client. How to increase your earnings. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is relying solely on typing skills. To earn more money, learn additional skills such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, AI productivity tools, Canva, virtual assistants, basic bookkeeping. The more value you provide, the more clients will be willing to pay. In 2026, businesses are increasingly looking for people who can combine typing skills with AI tools to work faster and more efficiently. How to avoid scams. Unfortunately, online job scams are everywhere. Be cautious if someone says, "Pay a registration fee before you can start working." Legitimate employers do not require you to pay money to get a job. Before joining any platform, read reviews, research the company, avoid sending money to strangers, use trusted freelance marketplaces, verify payment methods. Always remember, if an offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Typing jobs are still a real way to earn money in 2026. However, they should be viewed as a starting point rather than a shortcut to wealth. With consistency, professionalism, and continuous learning, typing jobs can help you build experience, develop valuable skills, and create a sustainable online income. Success comes down to accuracy, speed, reliability, persistence. If you stay committed, you can turn a simple typing skill into a profitable online business. Finally, if you found this video helpful, comment below. I'm ready to start typing jobs in 2026. I guide you where to start and earn money every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to start making money online. This is NorbyPole TV, helping you discover realistic ways to earn online. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep building your future.